Let's take a look at the chart action for Dogecoin. Okay, so here's what we're looking at. We haven't looked at Dogecoin in a while, my bad, but I'll try to start looking at it more. All right, so we have support right here, and then we have resistance right here, resistance right here. Let's do something like this. We have an uptrend like this, and then we had a top, maybe something like this. This is kind of what I was looking at it's the daily time frame. It kind of looks like a smaller time frame, but this is the daily. So, I mean, it's pretty significant, and it does look like we're testing that downtrend going to the downside right now. I guess there's a couple different levels we can maybe target. We have this support right here sitting around .167. I think if we break that, then we're probably going down here around .155. I had a limit order set at .155 for a while. I think it's when we started trending down over here. I thought we were going to come down over here, but we didn't end up doing it, and it's still been there. I've had this limit order set at .155 for a while, like I've been saying. So, I mean, this is what I'm kind of looking at, and then the other thing I'm looking at is right here at .167. Now that I look at it, we have support right there and support right there. It's possible that we could do a trend line, maybe something like this, and we hold support like that. But we have this 9 moving average. We're on the daily time frame. The 9 moving average is right here. The price is underneath the 9 moving average. Until we break above this 9 moving average, then I'm assuming that it's going to give us trouble, and it might be pushing us down. We came up, hit it right there, and now we're kind of getting rejected. So, I mean, that's kind of what I'm seeing. That's what I'm kind of looking at as far as the 9 moving average. And in general, I think the 9 moving average is giving us trouble on the daily time frame right now, and I think it's possible that we're coming back down to like maybe .155 possibly. I mean, that's where I have my limit order. Like I said, I guess I'm kind of biased on that level, but yeah, that's what I'm looking at. And then maybe right here we'll support too, though. Let's see, at .167. The other thing though is, let's kind of zoom out and delete everything for a second, because we have actually a couple things that we're looking at. We have support right here, and it looks like we're holding support right in that area right there. So let's do a bottom trend, maybe something like this. I think if we break this bottom trend, I think this is going to be a bad signal, basically a bearish signal. And we also have, I don't know, this kind of, we have resistance right here, and resistance right there. I would probably look at these two more previous ones. I mean, the more recent ones, should I say? And let's do a trend line, maybe something like this. So, I mean, until we break one of these one way or the other, then I'm assuming that we're trending in between them. And it's possible, I mean, we're still above this, so it's possible that right now maybe we'll hold support and get a bounce up. But like I said, that daily is kind of pushing us down. Maybe we'll come back down to test it before we could actually get that bounce. If you look on the weekly too, the weekly 9 moving average is still above us. But yeah, so I don't know. This actually doesn't really look that great either. I'm kind of curious if we're going to get pushed down and maybe have to retest this 180 moving average. The 180 moving average is sitting at around .063. So I don't know. I mean, we haven't broken this trend line yet. So let's wait till we break this trend line. Then we can start looking at this support down here and this 180 moving average right here. Like I said, though, if we go back to the daily time frame and kind of zoom in a little bit, got this top right here, and then we had this resistance, actually the support right here, and it kind of looks like we're kind of testing it, kind of breaking down right now. And like I said, I think I'm looking at this level down here at around 155 possibly. Let me know what you guys think. If you guys like Dogecoin, hit the thumbs up button, and if you have any questions, go check out my Discord, and I'm usually available on there to answer questions, or you can post questions and I'll check it out later, or someone else could answer you. But go check it out, pretty cool community. All right, I'll see you guys in the next one. If you guys like the video, hit that thumbs up button.